Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of the extra screens from the control center. These can get a bit annoying when you try to swipe to go back to your home screen and you end up on another control center page. So what we want to do is go to the control center, then press and hold on this main screen. As you can see, this becomes editable. Swipe to go to the next screen. Then just in the top left corner, there's a remove button. That removes the page. We'll repeat on the next page and repeat on this. Again, we'll remove. Let's swipe down. There are no more down. And if we swipe up, we have just the one. So let's close that. And as you can see, there's just the one page. Now we can bring those pages back by resetting the control center. Just be aware that if you've customized this area here, it's going to reset this back to factory. Let's go to settings. In this main settings window, scroll down and you'll see control center. Just here we have reset control center. Now if we go back, you can see you have your pages back, which is a good get out of jail option if you so wish. So I hope that's been useful. Let me know in the comments. Let me know why you want to get rid of all those extra screens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.